On January 2nd, 2025, Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati arrived on Odisha's sacred soil. His first steps led to Puri, where before Lord Jagannath he bowed in devotion, seeking blessings for the path ahead. On the very next day, 3rd January 2025, a new chapter unfolded. Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati assumed office as the Governor of Odisha, embracing the responsibility with humility and vision, devoted to the state's progress and promise. In the days that followed, Governor Kambhampati's presence was felt across universities, cultural halls, social organizations and local communities. From students to scholars, from artisans to farmers, he engaged with all, listening, learning and guiding with a steady focus on the welfare of Odisha and the empowerment of its people. As the Raj Bhavan lawns opened to the public this year, the Governor personally welcomed visitors, shared moments with children and offered citizens a rare chance to meet their head of state. On the proud morning of the 76th Republic Day, the tricolour rose high as Honourable Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati unfurled the flag, symbolising the spirit and pride of our nation. At Raj Bhavan, Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati hosted the traditional at-home reception, graced by leaders, officials and citizens from all walks of life. At Paradeep Port, the Governor reviewed the port's future plans, covering infrastructure upgrades, initiatives to improve ease of business and sustainability efforts. He then took a harbour tour to observe port operations firsthand. Travelling to Bengaluru, Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati visited Aero India, Asia's largest air show. He interacted with officials, discussed innovations in aerospace and defence, and emphasized global collaboration. In the Odisha Legislative Assembly, Governor Kambhampati set the tone for development. With a heartfelt Jai Jagannath, he highlighted priorities eradicating poverty, addressing youth unemployment, supporting farmers, and empowering women. At the sacred Triveni Sangam, Governor Hari Babu Kambhampati immersed in the timeless waters of faith, and at the Isha Foundation on Mahashivratri, he celebrated the spiritual grandeur of Adi Yogi, a journey honouring India's enduring unity and traditions. Under the leadership of Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati, Utkal Divas was celebrated for the first time in a grand manner at Raj Bhavan, Bhubaneswar. The historic celebration reflected Odisha's rich heritage, culture and pride. In Podampeta, Ganjam, he witnessed the nesting of olive ridley turtles, urging their protection, and in Raghurajpur, he celebrated Odisha's heritage through Patachitra art, emphasizing the importance of preserving our culture. At STI Bhubaneswar, he inaugurated the NSDC International Centre and flagged off Skill on Wheel, emphasizing education and skill development to prepare Odisha's youth for a global future. Joining devotees for the Rath Yatra in Puri, he reflected on the spiritual essence of Odisha, praying for compassion, harmony and righteousness. Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati visited the Army Air Defence College at Gopalpur, witnessing the unwavering discipline, relentless training and steadfast dedication of its officers and cadets. When Operation Sindoor unfolded, he took pride in knowing that this bastion of courage had played a pivotal role in defending the nation. Governor Kambhampati undertook an extensive tour of Odisha, visiting Puri, Ganjam, Khordha, Cuttack, Bhadrak, Koraput and Malkangiri. Holding review meetings on development projects and welfare schemes, focusing on health, agriculture, water, tourism, fisheries and rural infrastructure. He also assessed law and order to ensure balanced progress, engaging with officials, legislators and citizens. He highlighted flagship programs like PMJAY, PMAY, PMMY and PMGSY, while meeting beneficiaries on the ground to reaffirm his vision of inclusive growth, leaving no district or citizen behind. At Raj Bhavan, Bhubaneswar, he celebrated the foundation days of several states, bringing together diverse communities in the spirit of unity. Music, dance and art filled the air, a vibrant expression of India's unity in diversity, of harmony, brotherhood and shared progress. The governor felicitated 2025 high school toppers, calling them shining stars, and also honoured Padma Shri awardees, Sahitya Academy winners, international medalists and civil services achievers, celebrating excellence, hard work and national pride. He chaired a high-level meeting of Odisha's state public sector undertakings. With top officials and department heads, he emphasized accountability, transparency, financial discipline and governance reforms, guiding the PSUs towards a brighter, more sustainable future. At the Vice Chancellor's Conference, he focused on implementing NEP 2020, advancing research, enhancing faculty development, and shaping a future-ready academic environment. The Governor reviewed the ST and SC Development and Minorities Welfare Department, focusing on education, scholarships and livelihood opportunities for tribal youth under schemes like PM Janaman, PM AGY, PM Ajay and the PVTG Empowerment Program. During a review at Raj Bhavan, Dr. Kambhampati called for a study on Gram Panchayats at their villages, recommending more panchayats to strengthen grassroots governance and improve scheme delivery. He also chaired a review with officials from multiple departments, urging a humanitarian and emphatic approach in implementing welfare schemes for tribal communities. He also reviewed the state's flood situation at Raj Bhavan, urging the Disaster Management Department to ensure zero casualties and safeguard lives through vigilant preparedness. In a landmark step, he reviewed the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukta Bharat Abhiyan, urging citizens to support patients with nutrition. Raj Bhavan also announced Poshan kits for 100 patients, reflecting Odisha's commitment to health and compassion. The Governor will continue reviewing more departments, reaffirming his commitment to inclusive development and progress for every corner of Odisha. At Raj Bhavan, Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati urged industry, NGOs, institutions and PSUs to work together to tackle vision problems among children and anemia in women, aiming for a healthier Odisha. Sustainability guided the Governor's vision for Odisha. At Raj Bhavan, he unveiled green initiatives, a 150 kilowatt solar power plant, electric vehicles, and a roadmap to transform Raj Bhavan into a net zero energy campus. He urged citizens to embrace renewable energy, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, leaving a gift of sustainability for generations yet to come. Chosen by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Governor Kambam Party accompanied the delegation from Vietnam to India, bringing back the sacred relics of Lord Buddha, a living bridge of shared heritage, faith, and harmony. The governor visited leading institutions, IISER Brahmpur, IIT Tirupati, IIM Visakhapatnam, and IISER Tirupati. Reviewing their progress, he also plans to visit more premier institutes in the state in the days ahead. Breaking from tradition, the governor walked the corridors of power, meeting the chief minister, opposition leader, deputy chief minister, and law minister. Through candid conversations, he listened, observed, and understood the pulse of the state and its people. He launched awareness drives on social security schemes such as PMSBY, PMJJBY, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and Atal Pension Yojana, with 200 eligible Raj Bhavan officers and staff enrolling, setting a model example for the state. The governor also hosted camps on cyber security and drug de-addiction, addressing modern challenges with expert guidance, promoting digital safety, responsible online behavior, and healthy living. Observing Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, he called upon citizens to embrace unity, tolerance, and compassion, strengthening the moral fabric of society. The governor visited several Ganesh Puja pandals across Odisha's capital, offering prayers and engaged with organizers and devotees. At Raj Bhavan, he spearheaded the Nuakhai celebrations, offering Nabanna to goddess Samaleshwari and extending wishes of prosperity, harmony, and good health to the people of Odisha. In just 6 months, Dr. Hari Babu Kambam Party's presence has been felt across every corner of Odisha. He has upheld heritage, empowered youth, protected the environment, and driven development with unwavering dedication. With the blessings of Lord Jagannath and the goodwill of the people, his journey of service continues, a beacon of hope, progress, and unity for Odisha, today and for generations to come.